It was just announced the US Treasury is going to be issuing new crypto tax changes starting in 2025. And yes, it can be a little bit confusing and overwhelming. However, the silver lining here is that they will be delaying rules for non-custodians. If all of this sounds like gibberish to you, have no fear. I have my personal crypto CPA, Scott Martin, coming up to explain to you what all of these changes mean, what you need to do, when they start, and exactly how to prepare. Again, Scott is my personal CPA, and I always highly recommend you contact somebody who is licensed in your particular area if you need help filing your crypto taxes, or go ahead and contact Scott. Either way, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts, share this video because hopefully it will help somebody else. And yes, I understand taxes are an absolute scam, but we do need to pay them no matter what.
Scott Martin here to talk about the new administrative notices that just came out last week from the IRS regarding crypto reporting by brokers. The IRS is requiring brokers to file 1099 forms starting on January 1st, 2025. This is not going to include DeFi operations and non-hosted wallet providers. And they're only going to be reporting proceeds and not basis or net gains or losses. Also, there's limitations on reporting for stablecoin transactions and limited for NFT activities. This is only going to affect brokers, including trading platforms, hosted wallet services, and digital asset kiosks. The trading platforms we're talking about here, examples include Coinbase, Gemini, KuCoin, Kraken, and a ton of other ones. Not included are non-custodial crypto businesses, including decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or Aptos, unhosted wallet providers like Ledger or Trezor, and the rules for these platforms will be coming in 2026. So this is only affecting the large exchanges. What does this mean for you? The 1099 form will only be reporting proceeds. Now, this is important for you to know. They're not going to report if your proceeds are less than $600, similar to the standard 1099 system that we have already. And all of this is not going into effect until January 1st, 2025. So you won't be doing a lot on this until the end of that year when you start working on your taxes for 2025. Due to the complexities on how basis is calculated, the brokers are not providing that information, and you'll have to do your own reconciliation to determine net gains and losses that you've experienced, as that will not be provided on the 1099. Now, we already had a video out on the proposed 1099 DA form and some of the concerns that we had there, including a lot of the details that they were asking for. Naturally, your brokers and exchanges are going to have all of your KYC information, so all of that's going to be provided to the IRS, though 1099 forms are going to only be providing the net transactions and not all the details at this point. Realize that all of this is in flux and a lot of these things are probably going to change between now and the end of the year. They don't even have a finalized 1099 DA form out yet, and they're still working on it to this day. Crypto reporting is a moving target in light of the FIT21 legislation that did not get approved by the Office of the President and a lot of other crypto regulations that are going on right now. The IRS is working to come up with crypto reporting regulations that are sustainable with the exchanges and the reporting community. So things are likely to change over the next 6 months.